So we're in the car now, we're ready to go. I didn't grab anything to eat for breakfast, so I'm just gonna stop at Starbucks to get matcha, and then we'll be on our way to IKEA. Hi, can I get the venti iced white chocolate matcha with the protein cold foam? Vanilla? Yeah. Regular milk.
Oh, okay. The large ice matcha with the vanilla cold foam.
Yeah. Protein, yeah. No, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. We got a matcha now. Off to IKEA. It's about 30 minutes drive. 30 to 35 minutes drive. So I'll talk to you guys when I get. I just got to IKEA and I actually have a click and collect order, so I haven't placed the order yet. So I'm going to place a click and collect order. So while they sort that out, I'm going to go into the the store and then have a look around, because it's just a little bit of things, small things that you don't actually think you need, but when you see them, then you're like, oh yeah, I need that. So I'm going to place my order now and then go into the store. I did try to place a click and collect order, but there's no available slots for me to pick up in about an hour or two, so I'm just going to go into the store and try to find the items myself. Yeah, I intend to use this for recycle and cardboard bin, pull-out bin. We've got glass jars. We've got organizing cubes. For the bunker, these are also organizers, but you can put like seasonal clothes, blankets, extra beddings and stuff like that. And it's very slim and flat. You can just slide under your bed, or if you have a storage up in your wardrobe, you can use this. Very good space saving cubes. got this set of bowls. There you go. This is to save space in your shelves. Two of them. This is for the oven because I feel more comfortable putting things on this one than the one that came without. This is also for your wardrobe, your bedrooms. You can store extra clothing, like seasonal clothing, extra beddings and stuff. You can store that inside this. And it's also slim enough to go under your bed. More just a bigger one and a medium one. And I've also got a cookie jar, which I tend to use to organize the pantry. And then we've got more jars. We've got 2 mesh baskets, also for the pantry. We've got these 2 cookie jars. This one, colorful, they're pretty. And then also this, clear cabinets, save space. The microwave cover. Battery operated spotlight for the battery. Pantry liner, pantry lights, cabinet liner, big screws, two large jars for the fridge, a collapsible bowl. Smart bulbs with the switch. I intend to eventually change the old lighting in the house to smart lighting, but I wanted to test this one out to see how it actually holds up, see how easy it is to use. So I only got one to test out. I also got one smart sockets for like lamps and stuff. So if you connect the lamps to this one, then you can have the remote anywhere, so you don't have to actually physically go and turn off all your lamps when you're going to bed in the morning or when you want to put them on and set them on in the evening. And we have lots of lamps in this house because I love mood lighting, so I wanted to test out how this one also works and how it holds up, and then if it works well, we can go for all of our lamps. We got this storage box. So this for the pantry, and I got clips for like your crisp and everything, and then I got one piece of knife because I used to have this one but it broke because my partner tried to use it to cut turkey bones, and yeah, not shoot, so I got a replacement one. I got this for pancakes. And I also got the silicone spoon and 2 wooden spoons. Actually 3, because they're very, I don't know how well it will hold up. They're about £1 each. No, 50 pence? I'm not sure. Also got battery operated lights. I intend to put this in my walk-in wardrobe and also in the pantry. Then I got cotton reel hangers. I don't know what you call this, but for curtains. We've got a new set of cutleries, a charger for these batteries because they're chargeable. Rechargeable batteries, like, that's so smart. I got liners for the carpets. There's going to be a carpet on the dining table, and I've got 2 runners to go in between the kitchen and the island. Got this, and I've got the silicone cover things, and these I believe are cleaner brushes. So that is everything I got from IKEA. I think I'll also film a video where I use everything in the house to organize how I actually use them in the house, so you can see how it also holds up. So I will film that for you guys maybe sometime in like a month or two when I've actually used them and see how they work. So that is everything I got from IKEA. Thanks for watching. Bye.